Mahotsav is a festival which was started by Kulapati Kaniyalal Munshiji, the Union Minister of Agriculture, to create enthusiasm among masses for forest conservation and planting trees. It is now a week-long festival. One means forest and Mahotsav means festival. One Mahotsav is an annual tree planting movement in India which began in year 1950. The name One Mahotsav means Festival of Forest.
One Mahotsav had gained significant national importance, and every year millions of saplings are planted across India in observation of One Mahotsav week. It is generally celebrated in the first week of July. This festival aims at motivating the public to plant more trees. On the One Mahotsav festival time, people plant trees on home, roadside, schools, etc. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Avantika PC and I am studying in 7th B. Today I am going to tell about saving trees. Trees are like the lungs of the earth. They are the assets that keep the Mother Earth healthy. So plant the trees and get oxygen. Thank you.
Morning, my teachers and friends. This is my sapota tree, and it is planted by my grandfather. And now I also planted a tree like this. We get fruits from this sapota tree, and it is very tasty. Thank you.
ഒരു തൈ നടാം നമുക്കമ്മയ്ക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാം കൊച്ചുമക്കൾക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാം 100 കിളികൾക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാം നല്ല നാളേക്കു വേണ്ടി. ഒരു തൈ നടാം നമുക്കമ്മയ്ക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാം കൊച്ചുമക്കൾക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാം.
My name is Sujan, studying KV Pioneer in 7th B. Today's topic is Save Tree. Trees are essential in our life. Save tree, save life. If you cut a tree, you kill a life. If you save a tree, you save life. Plants and trees today, it will be help us breathe tomorrow. Trees bring greenery and happiness. Save a tree if do not charge a fees. Thank you.